Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to check the temperature of this laptop. So to check the temperature of the laptop, we'll have to use a specially prepared software called CoreTemp, which and the official site of this software looks like this. So it's oldcpu.com/CoreTemp, and to download this software simply click right here. Once you enter the website, then enter this, open the setup process. Right now click next, accept the user agreement. Then select the destination folder for your program. I will go with the default one, but you can change your path easily by clicking browse and selecting a different directory. Right now we'll have to select additional tasks. So if you want a desktop shortcut, leave this checkbox checked, but I'm gonna uncheck it. Uncheck this one please, because it wants to install unwanted software on your PC, but unless you uncheck this option. And if you want, you can install additional language packs, but I don't think I will need that. And once we're done here, let's click install. Let's click next. And let's launch CoreTemp once we finish the installation. Let me close the edge. And right here we can see our CPU, Intel Core i7. And right here we can see the temperature for each core of the CPU, the current temperature for each core, the minimum temperature for each core, and the maximum registered temperature for each core. Frequency, the VID, and everything you want to know. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.